Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create and print employee paychecks for a scheduled payroll by either selecting Employees, Pay Employees, Scheduled Payroll from the menu bar, or by clicking the Pay Employees button in the home page to open the Employee Center Payroll Center window. In the Pay Employees section of this window, select the name of the payroll schedule to pay from the listing shown. Then click the Start Scheduled Payroll button to open the Enter Payroll Information window, where you will see the employees assigned to the selected payroll schedule. All employees that you need to pay on this payroll schedule should appear here with a check mark next to their names. Check to ensure that the data shown in the Payroll Information section is correct. Also, review the hours worked and amount shown for each employee. If you need to make changes to a paycheck, click the hyperlinked name of the employee within this list whose paycheck you wish to inspect to open their paycheck within a Preview Paycheck window. Edit the information shown in the Preview Paycheck window, and then click the Save and Close button to finish. After reviewing the payroll information for accuracy, click the Continue button to continue paying the employees. Next, review the summary information in the Review and Create Paychecks window. In the Check Options section, you can select the option button for Print Paychecks on Check Stock to create the paychecks and print them. If you are recording paychecks that have already been created, you can select the Handwrite and Assign Check Numbers option button and then enter the first check number into the First Check Number field. You can then click the Create Paychecks button to create the selected paychecks for the scheduled payroll. You can then use the Confirmation and Next Steps window that appears to finish the payroll. Within this window, you can click the Print Paychecks button to print the paychecks you just created if you chose to print paychecks in QuickBooks. You can click the Print Pay Stubs button to print pay stubs for the checks if needed. When you are finished, click the Close button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.